In today's session, I need to discuss about the housekeeping operation. Let me log in first. Okay, this is the basic version of the Ipms where we try to cover the basic features of the housekeeping. You can see in housekeeping this is the main screen where you handle your housekeeping operation, and rest of the features is related with the reports, and those reports is related with the housekeeping. Out of services, out of order. So let me go to the main screen. That one is housekeeping main, and you can see here the floor-wise status report, room-wise status report, summarize status report, room status report, room discrepancy report, out of service report, out of order report. So all these are the reports related with the housekeeping operation, and this is the main screen, housekeeping main, where you can see the list of all the rooms, and here you can see all the rooms number along with the room types. Okay, and front office status, either it is occupied or vacant, housekeeping status clean, dirty. Okay, and arrival departure status, AD status means expected arrival or departure is linked with that guest or not, that room. And you can see the discrepancy status, discrepancy price, and if the room is occupied or your expected arrival, at which time the expected arrival is coming, on which date, and the room, if room is reserved, or if the room is occupied, and when this will be checked out at which time. Okay, expected departure time will be appearing here, as well as if the room having the in-house, so you can also understand from which till which date the guest is staying with us. And on the right side you can see the POO, means permanent out of order, out of inventory room. So you can make out of inventory room from here. You can see, you can define the period, you can set the reason, and system status will change into out of inventory. Of course, for occupied room, system will not allow you to do out of inventory, and for sure it is currently in this feature only the vacant rooms you can make it out of inventory. And along with these things, you can see the room numbers. This is the 103. You can click and it will show you the guest detail, that which guest is staying with us in this room, and when it arrived, departed. Okay, company name. So all the basic detail related with the guest is appearing on this pop-up. On the down you see the reset, search button, housekeeping summary. Okay, on the in this heading you can have different filters, you can use it, and effectively you can get the list of the rooms. So currently all the rooms are appearing here, and if you're looking to search any room on the right side, this is the global search. You can use your global search and you can select the room, for instance 207. See, it is showing you 207. If you remove the search, and then it will be back to the main screen, and on the down you see the export to PDF, export to XLS. So the same list of the rooms with this status, it will all it will export to Excel, export to PDF as a report. Okay, and housekeeping summary, because here individually you can the room wise you can get the status, and in summary it is a one window, and it is showing you out of this 36 total room how many rooms are vacant, because the 36 rooms are dirty. So how many vacant? 9 vacant rooms are dirty, 21 occupied rooms are dirty, right? So similar, in the similar way, clean rooms 20 rooms, and 7 vacant rooms, and 3 occupied rooms, and 10 out of inventory rooms. So this is the total features with respect to the status. And here we have one more pop-up window. Further, if you wish to get discrepancy status, so you can click here and it will give you the discrepancy status, that how many rooms having the discrepancy status. So like this way you will have the idea that how many rooms having discrepancy status and how many rooms having housekeeping dirty clean status. On the left side is one button available change along with every room number. So you can see click here for room status change. So for instance, this room vacant clean. Okay, I click here change, and I can change the status into dirty, or from dirty to clean. So like, it's a very simple method. Like this way you can change the status. Okay, I am making it dirty. save. See, update has been done, and my bedroom become 3207. I'm again going. I can change the status again to clean or to inspected. Okay, look to the discrepancy status. If you find any discrepancy, you can select that discrepancy status along with the discrepancy text. If you are finding, so you can mention the number of text and let's save it. Respectively, you will have the discrepancy status also for the day. The record has been modified. So this is the simple way to handle your discrepancies. You handle your house room status. I believe it is very clear with you now. Move further. Go to floor wise status. Here, this is just the report, and it will give you housekeeping floor wise status by every floor. How many rooms having housekeeping status, and it is showing you 30 rooms floor wise. It is showing you step by step that how many what are the housekeeping status, what is the selling status, and how many rooms having discrepancy status. In room wise status, for sure this is the same thing but in different format, and with the room number wise it is giving you the details. Summarize status, yes, in one, it is a one page solution that from the just in one page you will see your entire hotel and all hotels rooms along with who is staying in that room. The guest status is also showing it here, the room status, and if the guest names are showing, then along with that name, arrival, departure, and number of packs is also being shown there. Room status, so whatever the room status you have changed, you can get from this report that how many from on this date how many room status has been changed and by which user, so you can easily get it. It's a very important report, of course, for sure. From here you can monitor that which user has changed the room status from dirty to clean, clean to dirty, and you can understand any issue if it happens. In room discrepancy, of course, sure, whatever the discrepancy status you have defined it, from here you will take it, and discrepancy status. These are the discrepancy status, housekeeping status, selling status. Show only discrepancy, so it will only show you all those rooms who are having discrepancy status, otherwise not. Out of service, temporary out of order report, out of order, permanent out of order report. For how many rooms and from which date to which date is permanent out of order and with what reason, you can get it from here. So these are the reports especially required for the support of the housekeeping operation. And for sure the housekeeping main module is also here, which will be used by the housekeeping department. And yes, as it is a mobile compatible responsive screen, so for sure we can give the same feature to the end users, to the housekeeping users in mobile and while moving on the floor, so they can change the status. Hope the housekeeping module is now clear with you. This is the basic operational need of the housekeeping, which is covered in this basic version of IPMS. Thank you so much.